Hey guys, how are you? Happy Monday. I am here with a haul. I actually did some purchasing as I was getting ready to do my planner for the new year. I was like, you know what? Let's buy some new stuff. So I actually kind of forgot what I ordered because it's been a while. So let's just get into it. Hope everyone had a great New Year's, a great Christmas. Highlighters. Nice little pastel colors. Nice in my hand. Cool. So I'm going to be doing week 2 in my planner probably later on. So I will show these highlighters and kind of what they do. But let's see. Look at this gray one. Oh, it's green. Oh, this is gray, but it's a green highlighter. Looks almost like a sea moss. Now I kind of want to know what all these colors are since that one was off a little bit. This one's blue, purple, very light, very pastel. So I'm hoping it's not too light for my planner. Oh, what a pretty pink. I like light pinks. I don't like them too dark. This looks like another bright. This is definitely a brighter pink. So the one that threw me off was this one so far. And this is a brown. Yep, okay, so like a brown. So the only one that was different was this one, which was actually green, but the case itself is gray. So, but nice little new set of highlighters, because I have the basic ones that I bring home from my job, yellow and pink and orange. So it's time to get some new ones. What's next? What's next here? Again, I ordered this a few weeks ago, so. Oh, okay. These are supposed to be erasable gel pens. That's what this is supposed to be. Yes. An erasable pen. So, let's see. Well, first of all, I don't even know how to open this damn thing. It's not a twist. It's not a click. Oh, here it goes. Duh. Late in the day. So, this is what clicks on it. I think I broke it already. Damn it. Okay, there it is. So, take off the little red plastic piece. Sure, that was really hard. But it's a fine ink. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, I may be in love. Try not to break these. So the little red ball is kind of hard to take off of these. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so this is a little frustrating, sorry, but the little red. Oh, I broke it. Go figure. Look at it right here. So, one pen down. And I'm not being too hard on it, but I'm just trying to take this little red plastic off so that I can write with it. And I'm really upset that that one broke. My favorite color is purple. This one's not working. So I guess... Oh, what's this? Oh, this is from the pen. Yuck. Guess what they say is true, you know? You get what you pay for. And unfortunately, this is no good. So, out of 10, I give this a 3. That one's not working. Oh, here's the blue. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Okay, well, at least the blue works. So we got blue and black. Unfortunately, the purple broke. Here's green. And this is like really, really tough, guys, to take off. Like this piece right here. This isn't supposed to be that hard. I've never had this problem with any other pen. But alright, so I'm a little frustrated. I'm not gonna keep going. I'll try this last red one and then go on to the next item, because I have one item in here that I'm excited for. Okay, so there's the red. So not happy about this purchase. No, garbage, unfortunately. Good. Oh, look, more garbage. Look, it broke. Garbage. Okay, guys, that was garbage. Alright, so another little one. Okay, let's do this little one. Stickers. Oh, these are pretty. So again, these are going to be for my Kinbor weekly planner. So again, the Kinbor is a Hobonichi dupe. It's great. It fits me perfectly because I don't have a lot of activities or things to do because you know, my life is basically work and school. But these stickers are so cool. Nice size. I'm assuming it's just a peel back. I don't want to do one now, but let's see. So it doesn't have a part where you can help you peel it, but these are great. It's all good. It's a vibe. You're worth it. So proud of you. Make yourself proud. These are awesome. Be nice. Be still. This must be the place. Oh my goodness. I like the material of it. I just don't like that it doesn't have the piece on the back. Miss you. Keep it weird. I'm committed to myself. This is beautiful. You are amazing. So these are definitely motivational. How do you like them apples? I just don't like that it doesn't have a part where, you know, you can peel it. But it's not that hard. Oh, nice thick sticker. So this is probably one that you kind of put it on the paper and it stays on the paper. Doesn't look like any of them repeat, which is awesome. So looking forward to definitely using some of these in my planner. I used to go through my planner and put in labels, just so when I get to that page I go, oh, look at that. But I'm not going to do that, because I also noticed that when you put in a lot of labels and stuff, stickers, washi tape, it makes the pages thicker onto your planner. So I'm not going to do that, but I'm definitely going to use some of these. I love this. This is a 10 out of 10, definitely. All right. So far, only one bomb of the items that I purchased. I'm actually still waiting for like one more item. Okay, so this is another planner I purchased. This planner is not going to be my everyday planner. I'm thinking I may use this for work, possibly. I like the colors of it. It has a nice cover on it, nice and thick, so it protects the page you're on. These do tear off. It's non-dated weekly planner. So as we see, it has the week of, or the focus for the week. Maybe that can be like a sticker if I have one small enough. Top priorities for the week, to-do list, and kind of what to do. So if I do this for work, I would probably put my top priorities would be vaccine count, running reports. Here what I would put in my to-do list for the week. My provider gives me to-do items, and so it's easy enough for me to jot them down here, kind of put them here when things are due. Oh, a habit tracker. This would be great of kind of keeping track of drinking water while at work. Some notes here. So this is really pretty. Oh, and you can even flip it to the other side like this. But if you do this, you don't have the cover. So I mean, you have enough weeks here, but if you were to rip them out, you can't use this page then, so that kind of becomes a waste. The back is just a hard cardboard, but this is really nice. I like it. I like the colors. I like that, again, it has this to protect the week you're working on. I'm wondering if this is safe enough for like a dry erase marker, so I can kind of mark on top of this. I have to test a little inconspicuous kind of spot right here, but I like this. I was planning on either using it for home or work, so now that I look at it, I just may use this for work, something I can share with the other nurse in the office, seeing that I really am not going to use this for school. I mean, I could. No, I don't have enough room to do my stuff and then the stuff for school here. And I don't want to have too many planners because that just kind of overwhelms me, and then I don't finish everything. And I really want to try to complete my items this year. So one of my goals for this year is completing my planner, completing these small goals I have for myself. So if you follow me on my weekly planner, you'll know what those goals are. So make sure you follow me for that, because I'm going to be doing another week 2 video probably right after this. So, and then you'll see what my goals are and kind of what I'm talking about. But this I like. So this planner gets definitely 9 out of 10, because I just don't like that for this opposite side there's no plastic covering. It's great for, you know, now if the back had plastic covering, then that'll be great. But for now, it'll be kind of like this, but again, without a plastic covering. So give this a 9 out of 10. And here's my last item. So this item, I'm gonna be careful opening it. So I needed a new tote bag, and I picked this one because it has this insert with it. So it's a nice clutch, pretty gold accent, nice, deep enough for my cell phone, my keys, whatever else I want to put in. So it's a really nice clutch, plain black. I don't need anything, no sparkles, none of that on it. And here's the actual tote. So the tote is big, and that's okay for me because I tend to carry a lot of stuff with me. I bring my bag to work, so it carries my lunch, it carries any paperwork, my schoolwork if I need to work on schoolwork, my laptop, when I'm officiating weddings, my portfolio for that. So that's great. So I needed it to fit quite a few things, and this is perfect. So it has a pocket out here, a zipper pocket here. It has a pocket right, oops, don't tell me this came broken already. Okay, another pocket right here. It has a side right here, so for my umbrella if I'm going out and it's raining, a bottle of water, again another side pocket here, a back thing here if I need to get to something quickly, handles if I want to just hold it, and versus putting it on my shoulder. And what I like the best is zipper closed. I love a purse, a tote that has a zipper close on it, because if I'm walking and if the bag kind of falls, tips to the side, everything is secured. So I did notice though it doesn't close all the way, but that's okay because I can always make that work. So it closes. Oh wait, hold on. There. I was about to break it already. So it looks like it. Oh, okay. So it has this much of a gap on here, but I'm sure I can do something to kind of keep it closed like that if I really, really needed to. Put on some snaps here, and I can do that if I needed to. So here's the zipper. Look at how roomy this is. Has space for my laptop, the mouse, for all my junk in here, my bag. Look how deep this thing is. So if I wanted to put the planner, markers, clutch, stickers, shitty pens. Out of that, only 2. Look at, here's the other piece that broke off. So all that fits in here, and that's great. Again, it's going to fit my laptop, my book for school, my planner, which is small because it's a weekly planner, so it's maybe thinner than this. But this I love, and so this is going to be my new bag for work and to do what I have to do, because again, I'm always carrying so much with me. I carry my charger, my cords, my wallet, all that fun stuff. So I need space for it without feeling crowded and clustered and just kind of claustrophobic and within my own bag because I can't find anything. But with this, everything is right where I need it to be. So if I need my keys can be here. My cell phone can be here. Everything's quick access. Umbrella, if it's going to be one of those days that it may be raining. If I need something back here, this is great. I love it. Plus the clutch. So again, and the clutch is something that if I'm going to carry this with me, I can always just kind of put it on this if I needed to, but I doubt it. I have another idea for this clutch. Hopefully it fits. So I don't know, but I'll come back to that at another time. But that's my haul, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Again, I have 2 more things coming, maybe. So I gotta hopefully get those before the end of the week. Again, I think it's 2 more things. And so that's it. Highlighters get 7 out of 10. I don't like that this is green. I figured it would be a different green for it to be green. So 7 out of 10. Stickers, 10 out of 10. Love them. There's so many in here. The planner gets about a 7 out of 10, only because this back side is on that side and it doesn't have another clear protector. If it had another clear protector, it would definitely be a 10 out of 10. Pens, a 2, because only 2 were good enough. And that's about it, guys. Again, I am going to be doing my next plan with me for week 2 of 2025 in a few. So get ready to watch that video coming up. So thank you, guys. Have a great evening. Happy 3 Kings Day for those that celebrate the Epiphany. Today is January 6th. So enjoy your day. Thank you for sticking with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks so much. Have a great night.